In this video, I'll show you how to embroider eyelids on your amigurumi. You'll need a strand of yarn for each eye, folded in half. Insert the folded end of your yarn into your yarn needle. Insert your yarn needle through the outside end of the eye. Push your yarn needle through to the inside edge of the eye. Remove your yarn needle. Gently pull the tail ends of your yarn so that the loop is small enough to just cover the top of the eye. Insert the tail ends of your yarn through the loop. Pull the tail ends of your yarn to tighten the loop, creating the eyelids above the eye. When you're happy with the placement, secure your yarn tails and hide the ends inside your project. I like to take the yarn tails and create a small knot at the end of the eyelid to make sure that they're secure. Repeat the process for the other eye. Insert the folded end of your yarn into your yarn needle. Insert the yarn needle through the outside edge of the eye, pushing it through to the inside edge of the eye. Make sure that the placement matches the first eye. Tighten the loop so that it just covers the top of the eye. Insert the yarn tails through the loop and pull the yarn tails tightly, creating the eyelid. And again, secure the yarn tails and hide the ends inside.